Herkese merhaba. Bu videoda sizlere Kütahya Dumlupınar Üniversitesi kütüphanesini gezdireceğim. Şu an sol tarafımda İleri Teknolojiler Merkezi var. Sağ tarafımda Dumlupınar Üniversitesi Sürekli Eğitim Merkezi, Mediko var. Kütüphane hemen Sürekli Eğitim Merkezi'nin yan tarafında.
Politicians stay out the road, while mama have to go to work and leave her kids at home. Several times a week she just a try to make ends meet. I fi grind it out because the picnic need fi eat. Father locked up so his help is obsolete. System set him up, now he's a product of the street, product of the community that gets no help from those claiming they see people in need.
Newsflash, nothing's different. We got corporations making money over prisons, lobbyists and government, mandatory minimum. All for the money, well it's time to get rid of them. Incarceration, all from a system. They should know why we're mad at them. How many more will they lock up the poor? More money for investors to store, no more.
Don't speak, nothing more to say.
Quiet, all if it take a riot, with us a blaze of fire, revolution take we higher. Oh yes, this world is gold, our history laid on soul. The half has not been told, full time we take control. Get up and stand up and stand up and fight and get up for your rights. We standing up tall, if body we fall, a time for we unite. We all bleed the same blood, whether we black or we white. Get together, organize, a time for centralize. Whoa.
Don't try and tell me that you know what it's like. Riots in the street and the fires at night.